Good afternoon, everyone. It's been a wonderful sharing of knowledge from some amazing speakers, isn't it, throughout the day? It's been a knowledge marathon, so can we first have a big round of applause for everyone, and then I'll start, please. Okay. Thank you. So friends, let's imagine a person called Ashok. He has done due diligence very diligently buying a life insurance policy. But life evolved. He had a child, he bought a home loan, his career evolved, but his life insurance remained static. And then tragedy struck, accident happened, and Ashok was gone. His wife was left going behind getting the policy, claims, etc. The moment of truth, and she found that the coverage was inadequate. Okay. So given this situation, okay, here lies the real challenge. Okay. How can you truly serve your customer if you don't know your customer well? Okay. So with real-time risk assessment and intelligent customer profiling, you are really empowered to know your customer well. The result? Optimal protection at the lowest sustainable premium for the customer and for the insurer, superior profitability, and more importantly, in that moment of truth, you are there. So from the truly known to the truly trusted. So I will now take you through a solution journey towards this. And by the way, I am Narayanan from Perfios. The challenges towards this. The traditional underwriting is very slow. We all know there are manual touch points. Even if there are systems, these systems are siloed. They don't talk to each other. And then at the end, resulting in lengthy turnaround times, leading to a lot of customer dissatisfaction. Secondly, data. Today, throughout all the sessions, we heard about the emphasis on data and tech. Data, you need to have correct data. You need to have consistent data. And importantly, you need to derive the right meaning out of data. Today, there is a gap in all three of these. Thirdly, the customer experience. We also heard about this a lot today, about a seamless customer experience. Though the word seamless is very easy to pronounce and spell and talk about, we all know what it embodies. Fraud. Enough stories about that. Fraud is on the rise in a big way, we all know that. Globally, around 15%, and not very different in India, right? Insurers are losing a lot of money. And more importantly, we all are losing a lot of money because we are paying higher premiums. Last but not the least, and even this is no news to everyone, mis-selling, its impact on persistency, and how it impacts the entire loop and cycle. And there is one thing that I would add over here is regulations. In a positive way, regulations are easing up, right? But are we ready for it? I know we are getting ready. But how soon, and how fast, and how far? Those were the challenges, and there are many more. So here comes the solution. A 360 degrees holistic risk profiling, customer profiling. What are the dimensions? Identity, financial, medical, and financial across the entire spectrum of whether it is bank statements or whether it is ITRs or payslips, and name whatever. Medical records, again the entire range and variety. the occupation risks, demographic risks, lifestyle, whether the person has gambling habits, smoking, fun, and later I will show you, some examples from this. And all this is going to enable better underwriting. It's going to result in fraud mitigation, a comprehensive consumer profiling, and again, product fitment that we heard throughout all the sessions, right? Selling the right product to the right person at the right time, at the right price, and factoring in the right risk. Again, resulting in improved bottom line, improved sales, better customer satisfaction, a satisfied everybody. Some variety of profiles here for you, okay? There is typical, salaried professional, Rakshit, he has all his documents in order, still facing problems because things are not streamlined. It takes a lot of time. We have self-employed entrepreneur, Nena, limited traditional documentation. So again, there are issues. How do you profile? Lakshmi, a rural customer, lacks formal credit history. And of course, we all know Mogambo, right, who is out there to, take all our money. Here comes the solution, Iador. This is a holistic customer profiling solution, which you can embed in any part of your journeys, be it onboarding or underwriting. And Iador stands for Insurance, a Digital Onboarding Revolution. At the heart of Iador lies a very thorough, holistic, accurate, real-time customer profiling. And you saw the dimensions in the previous solution slide, which is demographic, financial, medical, right, and all the other dimensions. And enabling this is data enrichment. The customer profiling, enables risk assessment, product recommendations, and contactability. It is enabled by data enrichment and the rich intelligent document processing and the analytical capabilities that lie at the heart of what Perfios offers. A slightly more drill down, faster policy issuance, better risk identification, product fitment that we talked about, cross-sell and upsell, the nudges that we heard in various sessions today, the seamless journeys, and resulting in higher return of investment.
Profiling insurance customers is challenging. Insurance teams waste hours to days manually processing a single application, missing critical information that impacts customer risk profiles. This destroys customer satisfaction and insurer profitability. What if you could generate risk profiles instantly? Introducing Perfios Iador. Generate ready-to-consume customer risk profiles in just 3 steps. Our detailed risk profiles cover every possible angle, including configurable profile risk rating, ID mismatches, occupational detail mismatch, financial risk flags, medical risk flags, lifestyle risk flags, customer contactability, litigation and FIR checks. Using this report, your insurance teams can take proposal decisions faster and more accurately. Enter the era of zero risk.
I will show you a slightly more drilled down version.
Profiling insurance customers is challenging.
So this is a glimpse of the solution journey. So this is a typical journey that is captured where you select your plan, the product. This is the declared, this is sum assured. Then comes the frequency, the term, typical riders. This is just an encapsulation of a typical journey, okay? To demonstrate certain capabilities like you'll see here. one certain identification information, like the PAN number, and you see a lot of autofilling based on all the data enrichment. Then we come to the employment details. Again, the details, a lot of the information is auto-fetched, like the company name, the industry, etc. This is the declared income. Then here, this is used as, we have an income imputation module, where based on various factors like vehicle registration, etc., bureau heads, we give you imputed income. So that was what it was about. Then the entire questionnaire and medical declarations, the upload of the various documents, like your bank statement. You could upload, and by the way, we support a huge, broad spectrum of financial documents across regions internationally as well. Medical documents, and then a quick summary of all the information. And I will show you a detailed report that we generate with all the data points therein, and the PIVC journey, I will show you the encapsulation in the report. We do have a journey, but in interest of time, I'm not showing you here. So this is the report, starts with a summary of an overall holistic risk score across all the dimensions, the financials, the fraud checks. This is the detail on the identification checks, the occupation details, the financial evaluations at whatever level of drill down that you want, includes the ITR, salary slip, information from the bureau heads, the entire medical evaluation, including the possible existing diseases. We have models that can predict those. From the laboratory reports, getting the severity and the possible existing diseases. This is the lifestyle analysis. The contactability to enable your claims. The existing insurance details, litigation detail checks, FIRs. So we tap into all the available public and government data sources. And as I mentioned, and this is detailed fraud checks across various dimensions. PIVC is, you can see the results of the PIVC, the liveness, the documents captured, and then after all the thorough verifications, then, coming to the closure of the journey. So this will enable you end-to-end to basically take a lot of the cases through HTP at the same time, that is stay-through processing, at the same time, capturing all the possible risks. So thank you, friends, for listening to me. And before I end, I would like to say we have at Perfios, we have an end-to-end comprehensive solution suite, right from the provider to insurer integration at the front end, to the onboarding and underwriting, risk assessments, profiling, the claims adjudication, across all of these, the portfolio analytics, and it is a one-stop shop and a one-stop solution. Thanks for listening to me, and please feel free to, come at our booth, and happy to talk to all of you. Thank you. It's been a wonderful audience. Thank you so much.